Everyone, my name is Myron Pereira and I'm from Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Kandola, Marcella, Goa. And I'm the group leader of Group 3 of under the Swachh Bharat Student Internship. And I would like to take this time to tell about my experience and the journey of my group. Our first activity was Karmali railway station cleaning. We started our activity by distributing cloth bags to the station master and the station staff. Then we also distributed the cloth bags to passengers or people present on the platforms. We also distributed paper bags to the shops present on the platform. And we also cleaned the platforms as well as the tracks. Uh, Before we leaving the station after our cleanup, we noticed that the dustbins present on the platform were not maintained properly, means they were not segregated, or the waste was just piled up in irrespective of what dustbin was meant for, like if it is meant for plastic or paper. So on that topic, our teacher, reverend uh, teacher Dr. Daphne G. Faria gave a talk to the station staff on why they need to segregate the waste, what is the importance, and what is the ill effect of what happens if we do not segregate our waste. And that was our second activity was the e-waste collection drive, which was held on 12th, 13th, and 14th October 2019. The drive was inspired by a seminar which was held in our college by GWMC and Kurosambhav. The drive was uh, advertised by making e-banners which was circulated to us through on the net through WhatsApp and Instagram. We also made banners which were put outside our gate as well as in the Marcel Market area. The drive was successful. A lot of locals, teachers, students, as well as the members contributed towards the drive. A total of 59 people contributed towards the drive. A total of 841 items were collected, in which 700, which amounted to 710 kgs and more. The third activity of our group was a survey, which was on 13th, 18th, and 23rd November 2019. The survey was to find out the waste generated by the shops present in the market area and to find out where they dispose the waste, meaning if they burn it or they give it to the panchayat or the kabadi walas or they just throw it out where no one can see. That was the aim of the survey. Our fourth activity was documentation. The documentation was on the area given to us. It was to find out the amount of garbage that is present in the area which is dumped outside. We found out there were locations which we could not see also, but there was a lot of garbage over there. We documented all this and we are going to hand over all this the data to the panchayat so that they can take some action and clean the areas. Our fifth activity was a second e-waste collection drive which was held in our college. The drive was inspired by the response of the people in the first e-waste drive, as well as a request by the people, because some people said that they did not get time to come and give their e-waste, and some of them said that they were not aware that there was a e-waste irrespective of the advertising done. So we made it a point to keep a second e-waste collection drive. The drive was held on 27, 28 and 29 November by the members in collaboration with GWMC, Karusambhav and Betki, Khandola and Tirve Orgaon Panchayat of Marcel. And the drive was on 26th we had a rally to in Tirve Orgaon, as it was a new area selected by us, so that to make the people aware over there that there is a e-waste collection drive and what is e-waste and what items we are collecting. The e-waste was a success. We had around 2,293 items which were contributed by people. The sixth activity was a workshop on composting, which was held in our college by the SPSI members. The workshop was to tell people about the importance of composting and how it is easy to do composting pits, and how to do composting, like what is the steps, what are the different types of composting. And we taught a group of first years, the first year BAs, on how to compost. There were three groups under which our group took command of two groups, under which we did two compost pits, each group one pit, which was done on 10th and 13th of February 2020. Each group consists of around 44 members each. We even told them the advantages they could have, like they could start their own business, or they could even use it as a manure in their houses, as well as it is a good and efficient way to discard of their kitchen waste. The seventh activity was a song recorded conducted by the SPSI interns of Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Khandola, Marsala, Goa. The activity was from 28th to 4th March, 28 February to 4th March 2020 in our college. The song was written and composed by Gaurang Gokuldas Naik, and the topic was on garbage. The song is written in Konkani language and the name of the song is Goikar Maja Bawa. Students took a great amount of time and effort in practicing and recording this song. There was a group recording which was all three groups came together and recorded the song, as well as there was a duet singing of two, which was done by two members of my group, and the song was then later uploaded on YouTube for everyone to see, and was shared by the teachers and students of our college. Eighth activity was SPSI workshop, which was conducted by the SPSI interns and NSS volunteers of Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Khandola on 12th February 2020. The workshop was organized in our college because most of our SPSI interns missed our third session at university, as well as for the students, in order to make them aware of what SPSI is and how it works, and make them interested in taking part in SPSI next year. The guest speakers were Mr. Kishore Shah and Ms. Jyoti D. Pawar. Mr. Kishore Shah started the sessions and explained all 3 points: strategic planning, implementation and impact assessment, future planning and report writing tips, which were very helpful to the members. Each group leader had to also present on an activity they had conducted before the day. So in order to show the NSS members what activities we have done, in total 100 and above students attended the seminar. It was a very enjoyable seminar. Our ninth activity was a Goa Waste Management Hackathon 2020. event that was held at Don Bosco College of Engineering, Fatota, Goa. The hackathon was conducted to get innovative ideas for the solid waste management. In total, there were 17 teams, among which was one of our teams, which were represented by my group members, Chetali Rajendra Parsekar and Srushti Naik. They attended a 2-day workshop which was held on 18th and 19th February 2020. It was they described it as a very good event. There were very good ideas on how to dispose of difficult items like tube lights and all those kind of hard solid waste. uh, and they said that it was a very good experience they got from that event. They even uh, presented a topic on how to properly a better method of disposing of sanitary pads. Our 12th activity was a composting event which was held on 20 December. A few SBSI interns, including me, were selected to demonstrate on how to prepare compost at a campsite of Kukolim Education Society, College of Art, Science and Commerce, Kukolim, Salsette, Goa, which was at Government High Secondary, Morpila, Cape, Goa. The aim was to teach students how to prepare compost. Their professor Vinod Kankenkar had requested our teachers so that we could come over there and teach their students on how to prepare compost pits. The session started in the morning around 9:30, which was we were accompanied by our principal, Dr. Punnakala Samant, Dr. Daphne G. Faria, and Miss Delilah. Also, the session started by teacher Daphne G. Faria, who gave a speech on how to compost, what are the requirements, and how we can make it use our normal kitchen and garden waste to do this compost. She also told them the benefits of the composting, and then it was followed by a demonstration by building a composting pit for Government High School, Morpila. We along with the students of the Salsette College made a compost using the normal garden waste of that the high secondary and kitchen waste which was generated by them. 13th activity was SPSI 100 workshop at university on 7th and 14th December 2019. The interns of our college went to Goa University for a workshop on SPSI, which was conducted by Sir Kishore Shah, who was the founder and chairperson of GDP Foundations, and Ma'am Jyoti Pawar. The workshop was about how we could improve our reports and make our presentation in a better way. He also gave us ideas on how to interact with people and so on. The different points he explained were very helpful to us in making our presentations and reports, and it was a very fruitful session.